Dear students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are studying about double integrals over non-rectangular regions. We now describe Fibonacci theorem for calculating double integrals over bounded non-rectangular regions. Fibonacci theorem, strong form, double integrals over non-rectangular regions. Let f of xy is continuous on a rectangular or non-rectangular region R. If R is defined by a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, Rx less than or equal to y less than or equal to sx, called type 1 region, with Rx and sx continuous on closed interval ab, then double integral over R f of xy dA equal to a to b integral Rx to sx f of xy dy dx. If R is defined by c less than or equal to y less than or equal to d, g of y less than or equal to x less than or equal to h of y, called type 2 region, with g of y and h of y continuous on closed interval cd, then double integral over R f of xy dA is equal to integral c to d integral gy to hy f of xy dx dy. Our first question is evaluate integral 0 to 1 integral x to 2 x dx dy. Here we apply formula 1. So the first partial integration must be with respect to y. Here double integral is integral 0 to 1 and integral x to 2 x dx dy. This can be written as integral 0 to 1 integral x to 2 x dy dx. That is integral 0 to 1 x integral x to 2 dy dx. Here first we may integrate with respect to y. Therefore integral 0 to 1 x into y. Upper limit is 2, lower limit is x dx. Then we are applying, then we will get integral 0 to 1 x into 2 minus x dx, that is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is our final answer. Our next question is evaluate integral 0 to a integral 0 to x root x square plus y square dy dx. The solution is as follows. Here we know a standard result, that is integral root a square plus y square dy is equal to 1 by 2 into y into root a square plus y square plus a square into log y plus root a square plus y square. That is integral 0 to a integral 0 to x root x square plus y square dy dx is equal to integral 0 to a dx into 1 by 2 into y root x square plus y square plus x square into log y plus root x square plus y square. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is x. That is integral 0 to a dx into 1 by 2 into x square root 2 plus x square log x into 1 plus root 2 minus x square log x. That is integral 0 to a dx into 1 by 2 into x square root 2 plus x square log x into 1 plus root 2 by x. That is, here we may apply the result log a minus log b is log a by b. That is equal to integral 0 to a dx into 1 by 2 into x square root 2 plus x square log 1 plus root 2. That is equal to a cube by 6 into root 2 into log 1 plus root 2. That is our final answer. Please write down on your notebook. Next question is evaluate integral 1 to 2 integral 0 to x dx dy divided by x square plus y square. Solution is as follows. We know that integral dy by a square plus y square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse y by a. We are applying this result, then we will get integral 1 to 2 integral 0 to x dx dy divided by x square plus y square, that is equal to integral 1 to 2 1 by x into tan inverse x by x minus 1 by x into tan inverse 0 dx, that is equal to integral 1 to 2 1 by x into tan inverse 1 dx, that is equal to, we know that tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Therefore, this can be written as pi by 4 into integral 1 to 2 1 by x dx, that is equal to pi by 4 into log x. Lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. Then the final answer is pi by 4 into log 2. Okay, thank you for watching. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt, then please write on the comment box below. Thank you.